Good morning students. In today's class we will learn about the chemical equations. What are chemical equations? A chemical equation is the shorthand form of representing reaction using symbols and formula. Actual chemical equation, it shows what the reaction takes place between two salts, and that reaction we have to represent in a short form, that is called chemical equation. Chemical reactions involve the conversion of certain chemical substances like elements, compounds into some other chemical substances, that is elements and compounds. The elements compound involved initially in the reaction are called reactant. When elements and compounds, when they involve the two compounds or elements, when they initially react with each other, they are called the reactant, and when we get the new product and the new elements compounds form are called the products. So here when we take elements and compounds, it shows the reaction between them, this is called the reactant, and when we get the new product with this chemical reaction, that is called the products. How to write a chemical equation? First you have to follow some steps how to write. First, identify the reactant and the products of the chemical reaction. First you have to identify which one are reactants and what products you get from the reactant. Second one, write the number of the reactants on the left hand side and give plus sign between them. Okay, the reactants you have to write left hand side. After that, write the name of the product on the right hand side with a plus sign between them. Place an arrow between the two sides with the arrow head pointing towards the product, that is between reactant and products. This equation is called word equation. Replace the names. I will show you how to write. See here, suppose these are two reactants, and what this arrow you have to write like this, and this product, these two are called products because reaction takes place between x plus y2, and what is the product? Product is x and y. Replace the name of the product and the reactant with symbols and formula. This gives the chemical equation. Okay, which type of elements or which type of salts you are taking, you have to write their formula and symbols, and then write the chemical equation. Make sure that the number of atoms of each element on both sides is equal. What you have to keep in mind, the elements on both sides, the number of atoms should be equal from left hand side and from right hand side, and this is called the balancing the equation. How to balance the equation? In the first step is balancing an equation, it to count the number of atoms of each element both sides of the equation. For example, reactant x and y2 react to form compound xy. Here what are the reactants? X plus y2, and what the product is xy. How you have to write elements, which type of two elements you have taken? X and y, and number of atoms in the left hand side, x is 1, y is 2, and number of atoms in right hand side, both are having 1 atoms. Okay, so the number of atoms of elements x and y in the above mentioned equation is shown alongside. The balance, to balance y on both sides, multiply right hand by 2. Okay, if you want to balance y on both the sides, okay, so you have to multiply this right hand side by 2. Now the number of atoms of y is balanced but not the number of atoms x. Here number of atoms y is balanced but number of atoms x is not balanced. Therefore multiply x on the left hand side by 2. You have to multiply this x, this is left hand side, you have to multiply this x also with 2. Thus equation becomes, what is the equation? 2x plus y2, it gives 2xy. This is a balanced equation as the number of atoms x and y both sides is equal. Okay, so the number of atoms of both sides is equal. So this is a balanced equation. Keeping these steps in the mind, let us start write chemical equations for the formation of magnesium oxide. Here these we will write the stepwise reaction with the magnesium oxide. Magnesium burns in oxygen to give magnesium oxide. Okay, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, it gives magnesium oxide. Here the reactants are magnesium and oxygen. What are the reactants in magnesium? Magnesium and oxygen are reactants, and what is the product? The product is magnesium oxide, because reaction takes place between magnesium and oxygen. In step 2, the word equation is magnesium plus oxygen, it gives magnesium plus oxide. This equation, it is a word equation. We have not mentioned here any formula or any symbol here. In third step, replacing the names with symbols and formula, we get the chemical equation. Okay, instead of magnesium, what we have to write? Mg, plus oxygen, instead of this word equation we will write O2. So what we will get magnesium oxide, that MgO. Thus in fourth step, the number of atoms of elements are, here also we have to do magnesium, number of atoms in magnesium left hand side 1 and number of atoms in right hand side in magnesium 1. But number of atoms in left hand side oxygen is having 2 atoms, but number of atoms in right hand side to the oxygen is 1. So these are the number of atoms present in the equation that we have to write like this. After that, to balance oxygen on both sides, multiply right hand side by 2. Okay, you have to balance both the equations from right and left side. What you have to do? You have to multiply right hand side by 2. Now the number of oxygen atom is balanced, but the number of magnesium atom is not balanced. Therefore multiply magnesium on the left hand side by 2. Okay students, first you have to multiply it by right hand side by 2 and then you have to multiply it left hand side by 2. Thus the equation becomes 2Mg plus O2, it gives 2MgO. This is the balanced equation. I hope students you understand how to balance the equation from both the sides. Okay, chemical changes we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.